See, as Sarkaran has come out with a document known as the doubling of farmers' income by 2022 strategy document. आता वो सरकार फार्मरचे इन्कम डबल करून भोवतात काय फार्मर जी आसा गरीब पद्धतीन आनी गरीब करून करता ह्या डॉक्युमेंटा प्रमाणे अशें दिसून येता की खंय तरी ह्या सरकारान एक डिसिजन घेतला की गरिबांक काबार करपाचें आणि कॉर्पोरेट फ्रेंड जे आसा तांकां श्रीमंताचे आनी श्रीमंत करपाचे. आता त्या डॉक्युमेंटाचो पयशी तेंच्यांनी तीन वस्तू दाखयल्यात फॉर गोवा. Improvement in meat and egg production, goat meat, pig meat, and poultry meat. हांगासर bulls, buffaloes हेचेर कांय ना. आता हो प्रश्न मायनॉरिटी कम्युनिटी मेजॉरिटी कम्युनिटी हेजेर उडोवंक ना तो तेजे वयर आहा फुडें आहा तें गणित. And therefore, we are not criticizing for the sake of criticizing. I am putting the question to this government. The government should reply, and the people of Goa should decide for themselves. नाल्या म्हणटा आमी विरोधी पक्षाक क्रिटिसाइज करता. आता ते आमकां बुल मीट बफलो मीट जे येताले ते बेळगांव सुद्दां येताले. कित्याक हो गोंयचो मीट कॉम्प्लेक्स ह्या गव्हर्मेंटान आपणाक जाय तो थंय बंदूच दवरला. कांयच करिना तो चालूच कोट्यांनी पयशे मोडल्यात मीट कॉम्प्लेक्साचेर. बट नथींग इज फंक्शनिंग देर. ते ऑब्जेक्शन आसतात या तुका जर तुज्या स्टेटीन मशिनरी जर तुमकां उजार करून मेळना बिकॉज ऑफ थ्रेट्स, then what sort of administration this government is doing? So now the question comes, with the law coming in Karnataka banning slaughter, and they have mentioned cattle means bulls, buffaloes, everything. So what arrangements has the Goa government done to see that beef will be available in Goa? It should come out openly. First of all, income of the people has gone down. With shortage of beef, people will be forced to buy fish, vegetables, cereals. तिचे प्राइस वयर आहा आनीच काय प्रॉब्लेम जातले. म्हणजे गरीब लोकांनी उपाशी मरचे हेजो अर्थ हो जाता. आमी पळयला लॉकडावनाच्या वखदार बायलांक खंय चलत मेल्यात पळय ते आनी गव्हर्मेंट आमचे हिशोबूच ना. इतले मेले हिशोब ना. सो ही परिस्थिती आमची ह्युमन बिंगाची आमकां हो सरकार डबलिंग करूंक तुमच्यानी सांगचे कशें डबलिंग जातलें तें. आतां मिल्क काव जी आसता ती तेन्ना रिटर्न जातली. एक बुल जातलो. त्या बुलाक कितें करपाचें? कोण पोसतलो त्या बुलाक? आनी पोस्तुगूज व्हडलें कारण हाका. पोस्तुगूज आयज गोंया भायर गुजरातान जावं व्हडले स्लॉटर हाऊसेस आसात. टुडे इंडिया is the second largest exporter of beef. And who are the beef exporters? It has got nothing to do with minority or majority. Go and check. They are all Gujarati friends of this government. There are friends who are financing this government. So what are we talking about? When we are a country who is the second largest exporter of beef, so what are we talking about? Banning here and banning there. You are only banning, creating an situation that I will have to sell my bull to these people at throwaway price, and you are doubling my income. Because one side you are saying you are going to have agriculture mechanized. If you have mechanized agriculture, who wants the bulls and buffaloes? So what is the benefit to the farmer? You are saying on paper that you are doing something very good, when in fact it is very clear, otherwise the government should explain to my question that I am taking. People of Goa are not fools. Now, when you are talking about we are, as I said, the second largest exporter in the world. From where is this beef coming? Who is slaughtering what? So whom are you trying to fool by bringing certain laws? You are making it difficult so that the bulls and the buffaloes are sold at throwaway price to those large companies who are exporters, and they make profit 3 times more or 4 times more. And we in Goa today, the food industry that serves beef will be highly impacted. Today the tourist is a big clientele of eating this beef. My question is, the majority of the ruling MLAs and the ministers are voracious eaters of beef. Why are they silent? What is the hidden agenda with this government? By showing sentiments for the animal, whether it is bull or buffalo also, then the sentiment should be for every animal. Yes, we respect the sentiments that cows should not be slaughtered, and it has been accepted. Now you have come to this part. So who is doubling? You are doubling the income of the farmers, or you are doubling the income of the exporters? Is the question for the people of Goa. I am demanding that this government explains to the people of Goa from where it is going to get its beef and whether the beef supply will be regular to Goa, so that artificial prices have been allowed to go up and the common man cannot eat. So फकत the ruling minister आणि आमदारांनी ते खावपाचे who they will manage to get to some 5-star hotels and all that. What are the common men? Again I am repeating, it has got nothing to do with the minority community or the majority community, because the exporters do not belong to the minority community. So who is making the money? They are very clear that they are the financiers of this government. Mostly Guju guys. And not only the farmer is crushed, but the common man also is crushed, because it will not afford to buy other items also, which prices are going to automatically skyrocket. I demand from this government that the meat complex be put into operation. Give them all the support that is required, so that beef is supplied. Bulls and buffaloes are allowed to be slaughtered, but there is no ban of slaughter in Goa. And so my demand is just allow them, give them all the help that is required, and so that the common man can afford to buy this beef. I am demanding from the ruling MLAs to speak on this. Especially as I have said, most of them are voracious beef eaters.